Today we're gonna take some flowers and we're gonna see how the flowers take up their water through the stem. What do you want to make first?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, so let's take some blue food coloring. Do you want
color.
that blue or this blue? They look the same.
I like light blue.
Alright, then use this one.
That's light blue?
Yeah.
I did not use it.
And put at least like 10 drops.
10? That's
10 drops.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, excellent. Now, the adult will take this and you want to make a fresh cut.
I want to do it.
A fresh cut from the stem. And you can also...
Oh my god, that's too sharp.
Yes, that's too sharp for kids. You could also cut it a little bit.
Kids, you can try this at home. Right?
Okay, yes, you can, but make sure you have an adult use
to help
the
you.
sharp scissors and the sharp blade.
Make sure
cut that
to help
open.
it to ask an adult to help you.
Okay, so we have that one in here. Now, what other color do you want to do?
Green.
Okay, hold on. Oh, do you want to do both of these in the green?
Yeah.
Okay,
But
so...
I'm gonna put this one in...
No, we have lots more to do. We can just leave this one.
And red. But we shouldn't cut that one because that one's too beautiful, right?
Okay, yes, very beautiful.
Yeah, we should try this one
Okay.
yellow.
Well, whatever color you want, let's
I want
put
yellow.
that
I want yellow.
in. Okay, let's open this then. Put in there.
Oh,
Now,
it's turned orange
you
now.
know what I'm gonna
It
do?
turned orange now. You see, it turned orange.
You know what I'm gonna do with this one? I'm gonna try something tricky.
Look,
I'm
it
gonna
turned
take
orange. It turned orange.
Hopefully it'll be yellow like we expect it to be.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
And
So this one, Henry, I'm going to try to split
yeah.
the stem.
Kids, make sure to help an adult to help you because you need some an adult scissors and one
That's
of these.
very sharp, yes.
And one of these. Kids, if you have those, you could help you.
Now,
They could help you if you
maybe
ask.
I can get this one in both of them. Oh, you know what? I need a little more water.
You need a little more water?
Purple?
No, I want it to be red.
What about pink? Pink or purple?
I want it to be red.
I want to do a pink. Can I pick one?
Sure.
Because it matches my
Yeah,
dress.
yeah, you could do that one.
Okay.
We're doing all of the colors.
And I'm going to do...
Are we doing all of the colors?
We can do as many as I have tubes for.
Yeah. I'm going to
I'm
put
gonna
this
do
one
this one.
pink. Pink.
Okay, so will you add pink to this one?
Yeah. I know you like pink. Or I like it.
I like pink. Why not?
Oh, cool. Hey, but Grandma, look, it's red on this side.
It does kind of look red. But when you put it in,
on
I bet
this
it'll
side,
look pink.
it looks dark.
Okay, let's put the pink in.
Yeah. I'm putting the pink in right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ooh.
It looks red to me.
Uh-oh. We're going to spill a little because my plants are kind of big.
But it looks reddish to me.
Okay, let's have this one just be plain water with no food coloring.
No, let's put it purple.
No, we want to have a control.
No, I want it to be purple.
We got 3 more for purple.
But
How about this one for purple?
Is this one? Yeah.
That one's for a control. We're just gonna put
No, I
flowers
want it to
in there.
be purple. Oh,
This
yeah.
one's gonna be purple.
Yeah. Oh, I can see purple right now. 1, 2. Oh,
Whoops.
I gotta get 2 in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10.
All right. We're not blocking your view, are we?
We're not.
and see what the flowers turn out like tomorrow.
Look at the flowers. Now let's.
What do you think of the flowers, Henry? What colors are coming up first?
Blue.
Blue is the most,
blue,
huh?
Red.
So, tell me, look, show me that flower. What's up with that one?
You put it on half. You put it on half like this, and you put it
So you
like
split the
that.
stem in half and put half in the yellow and half in the blue.
Okay, yeah.
And then look at that flower.
And like this.
It's actually half yellow and half blue, huh?
Yeah, you see it like that. That's how my grandma put it like that.